Lakasan niyo yung boss niyo.
Okay. Who will be the first one? So I will. Hello. I'm Raymond Sotero, and we are the 3X CBTV 101. First, I would like to tell each and everyone, each girl here in the Philippines, that we're looking for girlfriends for us to be happy in life. Here is my friends are now. They will tell us some about us.
I'm funny, but not funny. Yeah. No. Where are we going? No, I know. Wait, I will go back. I'm introducing myself. I'm a Netherlands, 17 years old. I need a girlfriend. For the sake of the others. Insert that first. No, you. No, you. Okay, yeah.